Alright guys, on today's episode we are going to learn how to hang a plant from a gutter. I bought these Christmas light gutter attachments that are metal, not the plastic ones, and they seem to do a very fine job. I was not able to find the weight limit on these, so what I did is I doubled up. And I can send you the link to these, but what I did is I found my gutter bracket. I attached one, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach another one next to it just to play it safe. And there's gonna be a space in between with my gutter bracket. From here, I just took my plant, and instead of using the big hook that it came with, I'm gonna go with the next part that is flat. I'm gonna have it facing up and flat. This plant weighs maybe about max of 5 pounds. So I think it's pretty safe, and being near is the bracket, it doesn't seem to be anything wrong. I tugged on it a little bit. That thing doesn't move. I moved the gutter, that doesn't move. So safe to say, I think this will be here for a long time, and it's the cheapest and fastest way to attach the brackets, and you're double covered with those two little clamps for hanging Christmas lights.